So I'm out here at Blue Sky and we put up this shed and I just put the shingles on, but there's not enough of these little flap things. There's just enough for like right there, and then it ends. And then I also got the blower and I blew all this that way and on here. And look how nice it looks. No leaves. Well, there's some. And then over here there's rocks. I also blew those out the way. Like, see how clean it got? That's the power of technology. Power. Shine brighter. And still gotta cut those. And from up here, it looks really nice as well. Oh yeah, so this is my final work. Well, still gotta cut those and then install this, but look at the grass where I blew it. And you can see the line of gravel. I even did it in here a little bit. So some gravel from there to here will be nice. So I'm going to blow it this way. And my friend will probably want to extend the driveway more like this way. But I don't know. I really don't know what he plans on doing. There's really no like blueprint on this yet, or anything like set in stone or whatever. But if it was my driveway, it would go like this. But it is like that, right? Just too much over there. Should be like over here. But whatever. It is what it is. Yeah, so this big old pine tree is not in the way of this cable anymore. So yeah, like even all this stuff in here, you see all those leaves? All that can be done the same way how I did it here. Especially, you know how there's a riding lawnmower? Well, there could be a riding blower. And that blower can blow all the crap in front of it. And then when it gets like too bunched up, like right there, it was a little bit difficult for the blower to continue blowing it. Then that's when like the farmer would get off, load it up in the basket or in the trailer or in bags or a trash can to throw away. And then the end result will look like this. Fire retardant. Definitely. Because there's a bunch of leaves. Even in here. So yeah, I think it would be super cool to have like a vehicle like that. Because I could do it with a blower, but it would take a long time. But at the same time, it will be cool because it will definitely get it this clean. So once I'm done with this shit, I might take the time to do a little bit more and start cleaning up a little bit. And these are the trees that I like trimmed up all the way to like the top. I did that one a little bit, but then I didn't do this one or that one. I probably didn't do this one either. I definitely didn't get those over there, but I did get these over here. See that? And then over here as well. Those down there. This one definitely. See how clean it looks? They're not like bushy like this with twigs coming out. That one over there, I did the same thing. All the way like, I don't know, I kind of went far down there. And then the creek starts right there. So there's a video of me doing that. Looks like there's a bag down there. But yeah, there's some wood left over. I was thinking about burning this, but I don't know what my friend wants to do. He's probably going to hire a company so they could do a trunk grinding thing. It's a trunk grinder, and it grinds all that. It looks like people have been coming in and out through here, but I'm not sure. Kind of looks like it. Or maybe it was for this. Oh yeah, it was for this. Anyways, another day, another dollar. If you want to motherfucking holler. Yeah, we had to cut a little bit here too as well. Because this was like coming down like this one. All in this area. So, yeah, if it was up to me, I would have definitely cut that one. That one, that one, that one. And I would have probably left that one so it could have some shade. Yeah, because it gets really hot out here. But whatever, it's not my house. But I tried cleaning it up. Tried. But I guess I have to try harder because there's a lot of punk ass fucking haters just watching me like vultures, ready to take whatever I fucking have so they can pass on to their children and their children's children. Look at it, there's a house over there. I just noticed it. Yeah, so now that I'm up here at this vintage point, there's even like a little house over there, little shed. Let me see if I could capture it. Holy snaps. Oh, it's right there. In the center. On the center. Oh shit, I lost it. But yeah, there's one over there. Anyway, so what the fuck do I do here? There's not enough. Should I just like nail them and then not do the ones that or like not go all the way over there? The fuck should I do? Because it should be the nail line and then this going down and then covering these nails with this. So I'm gonna have to just end it there and then hopefully my friend can buy more of these shits. But then that would mean I'm gonna have to pull out the nail gun. Or probably not, I'll probably be able to do it by hand. Just a few more. And then I'll be done. But that makes my job incomplete. And then we posted a video on this one. Putting these roof shingles on. So yeah, I just did a little bit more here. Cuts. Or some shit, I don't know. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm out of here.